all the senior officials from Government of Maharashtra, all the senior officials of the entities who are entering into MOU with our companies, dear friends. I am very happy to witness this occasion where we have signed 4 MOUs, as rightly told by Mansi, with a staggering investment of around 47,000 crore and which would generate around 19,000 employment opportunities. I think it's a great moment because right from various sectors of RE and also green hydrogen, green ammonia, these MOUs will carry all the elements of green energy, and it will also take the state of Maharashtra a step forward towards its commitment to make 50% of energy availability by 2030 from RE. Today, initially we had signing of MOU in the PSP, where huge investments have come, around 3 lakh crore, and now 47,000 crore. I think it is more than the investment. The amount of green energy which we are generating, which we are creating, is something which is need of the day. I would say it is a step forward towards Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's dream of net zero, where we will all have to work very hard. I am sure that as earlier also I have commented, that this would not just remain MOUs, because we have many times we have seen that MOUs are signed and they are made part of portfolio. Nothing happens after the MOU signing, but in the case of Maharashtra, our track record has been very good. So far as our MOUs in the industries department, when the national average is 30-35, our average has always been 60%. So I think we are not just interested in signing the MOUs, but we are actually interested in taking those MOUs to action. I would like to assure all the entities who have signed MOUs with us that Government of Maharashtra is there to help you, to handhold whatever problems you face. Make us partner, will troubleshoot your problems, but let us draw the timelines and let us stick to the timelines so that together we will be able to show the entire country that the transformation is not just on the paper, but there is a real transformation which has happened. I would like to congratulate both the sides for coming together and signing these MOUs. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your insight.